with them on Sunday. Our investigating team located the young girl and her family and met with them on Sunday, November 24th, and provided brief counseling. The child was referred to the Victim Services Division for additional support, and she's also to receive a medical assessment today. The levels of violence we continue to see being displayed by our children are of grave concern, and sadly this also seems to be a reflection of the violence and disrespect towards women and girls that permeate our society. We need to do more now to protect our children and the future. These kind of maladaptive behaviors in our schools and communities must not be condoned, and we must teach our boys that masculinity is not synonymous with abuse.
What's happening? Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I say, I hope everybody is in a good space right now. I hope everybody is feeling good. I hope everybody is feeling wonderful. Enough respect. Now say a word. Now my viewers and subscribers, me not take too long for jump in another one here. You see the thumbnail? Yes, man. I got a leak voice note. My viewers and subscribers, it not sound good. But I'm gonna make you hear it still. And we going to talk about some things when we hear, I go around, and some things when we see some people, and some I say about this whole incident. My viewers and subscribers, also to all of the content creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, everybody. The police says, stop showing the video. The police says, all who have that video up must take it down. Because, you notice, you not see me show that video? You notice, you not see me show the video? Yes, me not show that video. You know why me not show that video? Not even a picture of the whole thing me not show. Yeah, you can be charged. Yep. For child, yes, that word, you can be charged. So the police are say, all who have it up, on what channel, if you have it up, please take it down. They might ask you if you take it down, because if you don't take it down, you can be charged for, right, because it's in our position, because I phone the channel, so they might ask you if you take it down. Remember, you won. Anyway, some of viewers and subscribers, may I hear some things about this situation where make me heart. Make me heart to have problem. Me heart to beat fast. It's a race. Because me cannot believe human being, mothers, fathers, son, attack. Some things when me hear them attack out of their mouth. First thing one lady says is, well, she go there because she want it and she see the video before and she didn't enjoy it. Now, to each and everybody, we're out there. We are make those kind of talk. What wrong with you, man? You want to think that I go fix anything? Let me say this to you before me run the voice note. Whether if she go there willingly, or then bring her there, or then take her there, or she drop out of the sky and reach there, you have no right for beat her like that. So let me tell you something. You see this situation and you hear someone who are going, you don't have no heart. And in the meantime of me saying, you don't have no heart, listen to them boy. Listen to them boy talk, and then we go talk to all of you about the situation.
Innocently, I try to get her about bump buckler at a fair business. She still get fucked, and that not change. She still get fucked. The man them still fall out her belly, and it now go change. It now go change.
You know, it's right?
Now go change. She don't take in her whole dog. She mash up right now. She a bleed hard. What a man going at that dog. Yo, I'm at this thing. Moody give a fuck if it was my sister, bro. Cause I'm not chat to my sister them. Not chat to my sister them. Not chat to my sister them. That my sister them ever ask me for money. I'm not give them no money. Cause them not rate me. Be money. more. And when as girl love too much fucking money for, go look at work. Go look at work now, man. Go look at work now.
Now, you all hear the boy them talk? Yes, that's a leak voice note from them talking after everything finish. Now you tell me which part, that girl did I enjoy anything? She never da enjoy nothing. Them know what them a do. And me I tell you this. Remember this. I know the first time them a do that, me can bet you and win. Say I know the first time them a do that. Now, my viewers and subscribers, listen what me I say. Jamaica right now I get into a space or a place where me I wonder if it's there and a I shall not return situation. Because we just come out of CMR business, and in just a few months of this, one more 13-year-old, and then you have big people, big man, big woman. I go sit down and talk, say she did enjoy it. She go over there on her own. Let me tell you something. Did you listen to them boy they talk? Did it sound like they were having fun? Did it sound like they were enjoying themselves, or did it sound like they're trying to prove a point? Let me tell you something. Did you know that before I come on YouTube, I know that the world is crazy. People is crazy. Because you know the song will say, nothing wrong with the world, it's just the people that in it. Yes, it's the people that in the world causing all the problems. But now that I come on YouTube, be a YouTuber, content creators, I realize that you have people out there that is sick. They have no heart, they have no mind, they have nothing good for human being, for the human race. When a woman going to use a platform and said, me no sorry for her because she know what she a do. She know say a 7 of them over there. And she go take 7 of them. Now, lady, let me tell you something. Sometimes them say if you don't have nothing good for say, no say nothing. Shut up your mouth. No talk, man. No say nothing. Just keep your mouth closed. Do like what Chrissy do now. We want Chrissy to talk, Chrissy not talk, and nothing happen to you. You know do nothing happen to you. And you attack stupidness out of your mouth. You know what happened? Any day name day, it come knocking at your door. Is that day you go cry and run up and down and weep and moan and cry. I ask for help. Yes, man. A lot of uno out there talking. A whole heap of uno out there talking and say all kind of bad things about the little girl. And a lot of uno know what uno daughter do. And a lot of uno no better than boy because uno a beat uno woman. Uno a lick up uno woman. This is not a topic where you play around. Whether if she go over there on her own, whether if she run go over there, she fly go over there, she drop from sky. You have no right. If you beat her, you are not her father, you are not her papa. You know, bring her upon this land, you know, put her upon this earth. You see them Anya? Them Anya would never eat a woman. Yeah, man, them Anya would never eat a woman. So because of that, me never argue with that woman. No, me leave it alone. Me walk away from it. Me try my best not to put my hand on a woman. Because I'm a grocer. And remember me tell us right now, the world is in trouble because guess what happened? And my viewers and subscribers, I don't know if what I go say, I go cause any problem to my viewers and my subscribers. But if it cause any problem, if it hit anybody, So you go apologize. I'm apologizing from now. But you know what happened? To this world here now, why it a cost all of this? The parents them themselves, they even know how if you grew up, much less if you grew up a kid. Many of them never even reach the grow up stage before they start a pitney. Both man and woman me are talking, I mean I specify or pick out no special person. A whole heap of people out there, them should have still grew up right now, but them have kids. Because of the same kind of situation. Now tell me something now. Boom, this little girl get impregnated. So how far? 7 of them. You have you have HIV, you have syphilis, you have gonorrhea. You know how much things you have out there? A lot of things you have out there. And you know, I'm going to say this. Me is not a fan of footer hype. No. Me is not a fan of footer hype. And the reason why me is not a fan of footer hype, and me go tag footer hype in this because me I don't know nobody. He not going to really talk about me. But me go make him know. Me go give me flowers. Me is not a fan of him. Yeah. Me won't say the reason why. But today, me I listen footer hype, you see? And footer hype, I say some things about back in his days at school. And every word footer hype use out of mouth, I go through the same things. Yeah, man. I go through the same things. The school where me used to go, I don't know if I come from Portland with the boatland, I won't say another word. The school where me used to go, there was a place at the school. You know what it used to name? Battery. I saw it used to name Battery. My viewers and subscribers, if you know some things were going around there, so lines. Yeah, lines. Me used to have friend houses where them things are going. Lines. Once me find out say it are going, oh no. Me gone. Me left. Me I go up at the hill and them say, oh, okay. Me turn back down the road. Me no want to be a part of it. Me nah put myself in a no trouble for nobody and with nobody. This a boy, where you see us, so me never get myself in a trouble yet. Never. And me tell myself every day, I will never get myself in a trouble for no cat. No cat at all. There's no cat upon this earth. We're going to get me if we go behind bars. Nope. That cat no born yet. And will never born. So my viewers and subscribers, saying that and saying this, people I said this was the situation, but they made a run a battery. One of them did him boyfriend. I don't care who did him boyfriend. I don't care if they made a run a battery. I don't care what they made a do. If she go over there and decide to give all of them on her own, that's a fair business. No, that's not a fair business. You do not reach the age for that. However, you have no right at all for liquor. And that's what me I talk about. Me not care how she reach over there. Me not even business how she reach over there. Me no want to know how she reach over there. Them say, one of them take away her bag and she run go on. As a matter of fact, it is said that is not the first time them a do it. But them couldn't pinpoint who a do it. My viewers and subscribers, sometimes me have some information, but the information I have cannot come out of my mouth. Sometimes I wish I could have said what information I have. But sometimes viewers and subscribers, the information he said, nope, you get this information. If I tell you to put it out, then you put it out. So I have to follow rules and regulation. If I don't follow, then me now will get no information. But they've been looking for these set of guys for a while. This is not the first one. Yeah, man, this is not the first one, man. The stupid thing that they did was put it out. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much to put it out. Because the amount of time when you do it and get away, this time when you decided to video it and let it out. But more than on the phone. Yeah, man. More than on the phone, them. And whole heap sitting up on the phone. Yeah, man. And remember, you can delete as much as you want. You need that try to delete, but you can't delete them. Yeah, man, you can't delete them. Remember how iPhone set up? The last time I do a video, and I do the video, and I go, somebody say, oh, me, wicked, because me a laugh. Never trust me when me laugh. This me is good. This me is good. When me go so, no. It better you see me like this rather than you see me a laugh. When me laugh, it's just feel let it go. Yeah, man. Them things that hurt me. Them things that hurt me because guess what? A boy grip my auntie. Yeah, man. A boy grip my auntie, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know what happened to my auntie right now? My auntie cannot produce. So me no want a boy or a girl come on this come tell me about me talk too much. I'm if you mind me one business. The time you a pass and stop on my page and have something to say. Sure. Yeah, man, me never talk to you. Yeah. My auntie. Yeah, man. And my cousin. About last year. Last year, me and my cousin. Even I talk and she say, rough on her sometimes. Because right now, she married right now. And she married and she can't have no pitney. Yeah, man, the husband that she have right now, nice guy, nice youth, hard-working youth. Remember me tell her, said, that youth there, a youth where you have 100 pitney for. That youth there would have give her anything, do anything for her. But guess what? She cannot give that youth their kid. You know why? Because of them dirty boy. Yeah, man. Dirty boy. Mash her up. So you see all out there? We are making a big talk. A school she da come from. And she take shortcut. Yeah, she take shortcut. The youth mash her up. So me no want to come talk to me. I want to see me all talk about all the CMR thing. I want to come and talk and this boy, when me no know him, him is a content creator, is a YouTuber, I go find his name. What come tell me about how me a go on like me a Me living at them house. And me a go on like me a investigate the people and business. Hey boy. You see somehow, no? Somehow don't even know. I mean, even want to talk like this, you know. But certain thing hit me, and when me see people attack and them no know what people go through and what people family go through because of people like them there. Me no back no predator. Me no back no monster. Listen me, man. Me personally, so scared of them thing there that you know me do. Me never like fi keep nobody pitting around me. The way I'm scared of them thing because here what happen now. I'm going to say this. Enough of them little girl lie. Yes, man. Me not go far from that, man. Enough of them lie, man. Enough of them lie. Enough of them will tell lie upon you. Enough of them. Enough people got prison for grip. All if you know. I lie him tell because their mother forced them to do it. But at the same time, that not say you're supposed to look on people and talk down people and say things where you don't know. Because sometimes you hear a man talk about a situation. And the reason why I'm talk about the situation like when I talk about the situation is because the situation is a part of him. And then you now I come talk about left people business, left this, left that. Meanwhile, you are talk about something where your family member I bleed, your family member feel pain, your family member have to get up every day and live that life. And you have to see your family member and talk to your family member and have to be careful of the words they may use around your family member. Hey, let me tell you something. When you hear me I talk about them things, them two things, me talk about them because them near to me, them come on my door, them knock on my family door. 2 times. 2 times. I mean, I have 2 friends. What that happened to? Yeah, man, I have 2 friends what that happened to. I'm a cousin. I'm an auntie. Yes. So, someone will never understand, but here what me I say to you. You never really go feel the pain until when it knock upon a door. That's the time you go know and feel the real pain of what people feel. So you see all of you out there talk and all of you out there go on and everything you out there say. May the good Lord go with you. May the good Lord carry you. And may the good Lord make it happen to one of you. Because when it happen to one of you, that's the time when you go really sit down and say, if me did know, me would not go answer. Because me go tell you straight. Me same one. I go be the one that do the talking about your family. And me go try to talk, to get help for your family. For all of you out there where I make you talk. The lady where I make the talk them. The man where I make the talk them where I talk about what kind of girl this or what kind of school girl this. You always are going to have people that protect the evil. But the only person protect the evil is evil. Me not evil. And me I try to look out for the victim. Or the victim that me I deal with. Yeah. Yeah, man. When you want to say me mix up, me no business. What you want to say? Anything you want to say, me mix up. Me 2 whole fina mix up. Remember me tell you, bring the news come. Bring the news come, bring the information come. I will lay it out. Yeah, man, I don't know if you do. Tell me, say, no call on the name, and me now call on the name. But me send out the information. Because I'm not afraid. Half century. Yeah. Proud. Man. Half century. Never get in trouble. Never do nothing that's wrong. Yes, away from have more than one woman. That's the only thing me do. Nothing more. Me no do nothing more. Nothing more me no do. And me go continue live this way. Because me not have the time. Me not have the energy. And this platform me have, me go talk. And me not stop talk until the good Lord shed this. When the good Lord shed this amount here, at that time me go stop talk. You hear Bob Marley say, when you go tired to see me face, when you go tired to hear my voice. Yes, man. Because me a talk for the rights. Me a talk the truth. And me a go talk my heart. And me a go talk my mind. Because I'm not too wicked. Which part you have? First, every minute you use one pitney missing. Big man, I take all the people and pitney them. What don't go do with them? Then all of a sudden you find them unalive. For what reason? And then now the younger generation now come and pick it up. The younger generation now come and pick it up. Hey, did you watch and see how the youth they operate? Hey, listen me good now. I'm going to say this part and just close off this, you know. Because me I get bringle. Me live in a house with woman. And woman say no. The woman say no. The woman say not today. Tired. That's how the woman say. Leave her alone. She said no. And look, me and the woman in our house. I'm a woman. When me did married, I'm a wife. And say no. And if I know, I know. Not because you're the person married or not because you're the person there. If I know, I know. The woman tired, the woman not feel like. So you tell me, say because the woman say no and because you're married to the woman, you must try to take it, and if the woman again, you go beat her up. And you think that's cool? And then you go talk about, yeah, she did up to it, and yeah, she got, go on about in the business. And if you don't have nothing to say, man, shut up in your mouth, man. Stop talk, man. Yeah, man, if you don't have nothing to say, man, stop talk, man. You know, say me I talk to you right now. And all me I think about my cousin and my auntie, you know. Because me say last year me and her talking, you know. And she tell me, say, boy, rough, that get rough because, you know, they want a youth. The man want a youth and can't get a youth, you know. Can't get a youth from her. And people out there sit down and talk off them face. My viewers and subscribers. A peace and love, you know. Manners and respect, you know. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil. Selah! Here go I walk. Hey, you know what? Jah. Blessed, you know. Enough respect. Manners. Remember, my viewers and subscribers, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. I could discuss this thing, because this thing I get from bad to worse, you know, and me come like me can't take it no more. And me just have to just let out some of this I eat away, you know, because I tell you the truth, say, listening to these people are going to drive me crazy. So, until next time, I remember my viewers and subscribers, some food videos coming up, some tutorials, and remember, join the membership, man, because coming January, what go happen as a member, you go get a recipe, one recipe each month, a sauce or a seasoning, or a sauce and a seasoning, or you can also get some merch along with your subscribers. Once you become a member of Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, you'll be able to get those things. So you can start from now and start to join, you know, and then we could build that community, we could build a team over here. So, you know, some live are come too, where we can discuss all different kind of stuff. So remember, if you don't have nothing good to say, just not talk. Peace and love. I'm out.